Hello friends, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to delete duplicate images, videos and files from the Android mobile by the very simplest way. So let's go and see this. First of all, go to the Play Store and in Play Store, just type duplicate file fixer and click on it and click on the install. This is the app. It is starting installing. Our app is installed on our mobile. So just click on the open. Click on got it. Then if you want to scan all videos, documents, image files, audio files, then click on the file duplicate scan. It is scan your all files, so it's take some time. And I want to just scan the picture, so I just click on the scan pictures and click on the scan now. Click on the allow and it's starting scanning your whole Android mobile, and it's find your duplicate images and original image also. You can just delete any image from here very simple way. If you want to check your image, then just click on this icon and your image and go to the any image viewer and your images appear on your mobile. And if you want to delete this, then just click on the delete now. Then it's ask confirm delete, then click on OK. It's allowed to permission to delete this file. Got it. And use this folder. Okay, allow. Then your all duplicate images are deleted, but original image are not deleted. These are in the your Android mobile. Then click on the cancel. Go to the back. And if you want to just delete the duplicate video, then click on the video, audio, then audio. We just scan the video. It's take some time. Then your all duplicates videos are appear on your screen. So we can just delete these duplicate images or video files by clicking the delete now. Grant permission, use this folder, allow, and your all duplicates videos are deleted, but your original videos are not deleted. Okay, back. You can also scan audio documents and delete documents, duplicate audio files. So guys, this is the simplest way to delete duplicate images, videos and files from your Android mobile. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.